This video of information all the devotees coming from state of Maharashtra, all over the country and world as well, will bring some important information related darshan in Sai Baba temple. The devotees coming from state or all over the country to Shirdi are requested to go through the informative video. In this video there are some information and guidelines while arriving, before arriving to Shirdi, what should be done. It is elaborately explained. The devotees should book their darshan or arti pass on our website. If at all some devotees come without book, what are the arrangements over here for darshan or arti pass? There are biometric pass centers. Where is their location? About the prasadalaya, detailed information in this video is provided for all the devotees. I will request all the devotees go through this video and follow the instruction given in this. This will help them get very convenient and comfortable darshan. They will get information regarding accommodation, darshan, prasadalaya, etc. So once again appeal to all devotees, go through the video, get the information, adopt the instructions as suggested in this video. Sure, they will get very good darshan, the instructions, if they follow given way. Thank you. Om Sai Ram.
Thousands of devotees come to Shirdi from all over the world for the darshan of Sri Sai Baba every day. The transportation facilities such as buses, trains and airlines are available to get to and from Shirdi, and a large number of Sai devotees come by private vehicles too. The administration of the Sansthan Trust is diligent day and night to provide easy darshan facilities to the Sai devotees who come to take darshan of Sri Sai Baba, and also effortful to provide accommodation, prasad bhojan and other essential facilities to the Sai devotees. The information about the facilities provided to the devotees by the Sansthan Trust is being shown in this documentary. It is required for the Sai devotees to book darshan, arti, accommodation, etc. on the website of the Sansthan Trust before coming to Shirdi to avoid inconvenience. The Sai devotees will get free and paid darshan pass through online registration and booking on the Sansthan Trust's website online.sai.org.in for arti and darshan till the quota is available. Authorized identity card, Aadhaar card is mandatory while registering online for darshan and arti. It is recommended that the Sai devotees should book online darshan, arti before coming to Shirdi for the darshan of Sri Sai Baba. However, the facility of free and paid darshan is made available for the devotees who come without booking to Shirdi at the following places from 5:30 am to 11:30 am and from 4 pm to 9 pm. Shri Ram Parking, Public Relation Office at Gate number 1, only paid passes. Dwaravati Bhakta Niwas, Sai Baba Bhakta Niwas Sthan, 500 rooms, Sai Ashram, Shirdi Bus Terminus. The Sai devotees should note that they have to enter the darshan queue in the time given on the pass as per the pass system. For the villagers of Shirdi, the darshan pass is issued at the counter at Shatabdi Mandap, gate number 3, and they can enter for darshan through the separate entrance. Electoral identity card is mandatory for devotees of Shirdi village. However, the devotees of Shirdi under 18 are required to bring their parents' electoral identity card. The women devotees of Shirdi, those who are married and now residing in other towns, will also get entrance through the village gate on producing identity proof such as their parents' identity card and or their school and college identity card. Considering the intensity of heat in summer in the months of March, April and May, all the pass counters for darshan will be closed from 11:30 am to 4 pm during the summer period, so that the Sai devotees do not have to suffer due to high temperatures. All the Sai devotees should take note that the facilitation centers have also been started at the following places of the Sansthan Trust for getting online passes. Even though the pass counter is closed during 11:30 am to 4 pm, the darshan queues will continue. During this period, the Sai devotees will be given access through online passes available at following places: Dwaravati Bhakta Niwas, Sai Ashram Bhakta Niwas, Shri Sai Baba Bhakta Niwas Sthan, 500 rooms. Apart from this, devotees will be able to get paid and free passes online from 11:30 am to 4 pm, passes of the same day only. During this period, as above, only darshan pass will be available. However, Aarti passes will not be available online. Only 2 passes will be issued on against each registration. Devotees can book online passes through Cyber Cafe, Hotel Business Center, or their own smartphone, tab, laptop, etc. The Sai devotees, those who have the paid passes, should enter through gate number 1, and the Sai devotees with free passes should enter through gate number 2 for the darshan. Devotees are allowed to enter into darshan queue only after verifying the barcode on the pass as well as their identity card and self-image. Therefore, there will not be any access to the darshan queue without an authorized pass. Devotees should not take passes from brokers or intermediaries so that they will not be deceived. The darshan queues have the facility of hot water for washing feet, drinking water, toilets, sitting arrangements, and 4 well-equipped darshan halls. Sanitizers are arranged at various places in the darshan queues. The first aid facility center is also there. While getting to the Sai Baba Samadhi Mandir in the darshan queue, at first the darshan of Dwarka Mai is taken. After taking the darshan of Sri Sai Baba Samadhi, the queue leads to Guru Sthan, Shani Temple, Ganpati Temple and Mahadev Temple. After that, the darshan queue exits through gate number 5 after getting darshan of Sri Datta Temple. After visiting the Guru Sthan, Udi Prasad is given to the devotees. For the convenience of the Sai devotees, arrangements have been also made for taking the Mukha Darshan of Sri Sai Baba from the front of the Hanuman temple. There is a facility for the devotees for exit or going out through gate number 3, 4 and 5. Its guiding map has been created. It can be useful for the devotees. The Sai devotees must follow the following instruction regarding COVID-19: to wear a mask properly. Social distancing of 6 feet must be maintained. Use of sanitizer is mandatory. Access is restricted to the persons having chronic illness, persons above the age of 65, children under the age of 10 and pregnant women. Throughout the day, 4 aartis of Sri Sai Baba are performed in the Samadhi Mandir. The details are as follows. Kakad Aarti at 4:30 am in the morning. Charges of the pass 600 per pass. Madhyan Aarti afternoon at 12 pm. Charges of the pass 400 rupees. Dhoop Aarti at sunset. Charges 400 rupees. Shez Aarti night at 10:30 pm. Charges 400 rupees. It is necessary to be present before 20 to 25 minutes to the Aarti. Online passes and the passes to the donors are given for the Aarti. The Sai devotees who come to Shirdi and donate rupees 25,000 or more in cash or in kind or through other banking facility in the donation office are offered one-time free darshan and Aarti along with 3 persons, total 4 persons, and a copy of Sri Sai Satcharitra is also given to them as a gift. The accommodation facility is made available by Sri Sai Baba Samsthan Trust at reasonable rates at the following places: Sai Ashram, 384 AC rooms, per room 600 rupees. rupees 50 for extra person. 1152 non-AC rooms, per room 250 rupees, rupees 50 for extra person. Sai Dharmashala, 128 hall, rupees 20 per person. Dwaravati Bhakta Nivasthan, 80 AC rooms, per room 900 rupees, extra bed rupees 50. 236 non-AC room, per room 500 rupees, extra bed rupees 50. Sai Nivas Atithi Gruha, 24 AC rooms, rupees 800 per room, extra bed rupees 200. Shri Sai Baba Bhakti Nivasthan, 500 rooms, 3 cots non-AC 500 rooms are available, per room rupees 200, rupees 50 for each extra person. 1 non-AC room with 6 cots, rupees 900, rupees 50 for each extra person. 11 cots non-AC 25 rooms, per room 600 rupees, rupees 50 for each extra person. 9 halls for 40 persons, rupees 300 per hall. 2 hall for 40 persons, rupees 500 per hall. 198 lockers are available, rupees 10 per locker. Sai Udyan, 14 large rooms are available, 100 rupees per hall for 15 persons. 10 small rooms, per room 50 rupees for 8 persons. 12 big halls for 25 persons, per hall 400 rupees. 99 lockers are available at the rate of 10 rupees per locker for 2 persons. Shantiniketan building, 8 small rooms are available, per room 200 rupees for 4 persons. 4 large rooms are available, per room 300 rupees for 8 persons. Sainath Chaya, 1 hall for 40 persons at the rate of 1000 rupees. 12 small rooms, per room 300 rupees for 6 persons. 2 big rooms, 500 rupees per room for 10 persons. 4 small hall, 600 rupees per hall for 12 persons. In order to enable Sai devotees to have Suruchi Prasad food, behind the Shirdi police station, which is 200 meters away from the temple, there is a magnificent building of Shri Sai Prasadalaya. Meals are served at this place from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Breakfast packets are also provided at reasonable rate from 7 to 10 in the morning. The canteen department of the institute is providing tea, coffee, milk, etc. to the devotees at reasonable rates. The darshan pass will be useful for entering into the prasadalaya. The flap barrier will open only after scanning the barcode on the darshan pass. Therefore, devotees are being appealed to keep the pass as it is required for admission to the prasadalaya. Om Shri Sai Nathaya Namaha.